has managed that, right? So Daniel, this is a small token of appreciation from us to you, right? And I'll let Mayank Sophronia hand it over to you. This is only for Feb, right? Keep on that hard work, and I hope you stay long with us.
खाना खाया है सबने?
Come on, guys.
खाना खाया है सबने? हाँ.
Thank you.
So please be energetic. This looks like we are doing a drab event, and we have never done a drab event. We have not done anything drab. We've just announced we've won a prize. We've just announced that we've given out a reward to somebody. Let's clap for them. Let's cheer for them. Until that happens, people don't want to come.
Hey, one challenge. सर आपका लेफ्ट साइड है ना, पहले क्लैप कर दो. आपका राइट साइड वाला नेक्स्ट क्लैप करने का. मेरा लेफ्ट साइड वाला पहले क्लैप करने का, मेरा राइट साइड वाला नेक्स्ट क्लैप करने का. कौन विन जाते हैं हमारा तरफ से एक आपको गुड या 100%. या आई विल से फर्स्ट लेफ्ट साइड जोर से चिल्ला के विजिल मार के कम ऑन गाइस, या कम ऑन. वेरी स्लो. Now my right side. Come on, you are the rockstar. Yeah, come on. Yeah, because one more chance I have to give left side people because like that. Sir, left side people, come on. Okay, now together. Yeah, come on. एनर्जी और भी चाहिए. एक बार मैं देवी शेट्टी से बात कर रहा था, डॉक्टर देवी शेट्टी, नारायण दयालय. वो बोल रहा था आपको लोग क्लैप मारा तो ब्लड का ये अच्छा होता है बोल के. दिस इज नॉट ट्रू, आई एम टेलिंग लाई और गाइस. ओके, दिस इज ट्रू बिकॉज आई हैव गेट वन अपॉर्चुनिटी विद देवी शेट्टी. ही टोल्ड क्लैप गाइस, कम ऑन या कम ऑन.
And that's what I want to see from everybody, right? Jagdish ji, like, it's not Jagdish's reward right now, but Jagdish ji works 20 to 22 hours a day. And I don't know how that man is standing today, but he is the backbone of Resha Mandi, right? Give it up to him. Alright. Why am I echoing? So next up is Arpita. We all love her, we're all scared of her. We all know that. Right? She's been getting all those recruitments done. Whenever we've asked for something, she's got it done. She's been working those long nights. And she comes from a corporate background, right? But this is a new experience for her. And she's done a fantastic job around. So, Arpita. This is a small token of appreciation from Resha Mandi to Arpita. Keep up the good work. Alright, another one in the HR space, right? We don't notice her, but she's truly the back end. She's making sure all our processes are done on time, and she does it very quietly, right? But she does a fantastic job. Anybody can guess who this is? Rabia. You're correct. Rabia. Where is Rabia? Clearly she's still working. That's the dedication we have from Rabia. Rabia, can we have you on stage?
Rabia, please. Hello, Rabia.
She's here. I can see her. Come.
Run.
You will clap again because she didn't hear you. Sophronia? This is a small token of appreciation for all the hard work you've done. Yeah? Awesome work, guys. Thank you. I need those claps to be slightly louder. Like this doesn't work.
Rajesh from Sarjapur Center. Can I have you here? Sarjapur was the place where we started, and this guy is managing it today. Why are we giving this award to him? Is because of the fact that he is diligent with this process. Come what may, Mayank ne bhi call kiya, does not matter to him. What matters to him is his lot listing and his farmer's payment. And that is exceptionally well done. And for that, we appreciate it.
Madhu. Alright guys, I have a slight bias for the next guy. He's been working with me for the last 1.5 months. Started off as a call center guy. I sort of reeled him in. He's always laughing, I don't know why. Utkarsh and I were fighting for him, by the way. I won that battle. I lost it. Yes, and he's done a fantastic job, right? From whether it's call centers, whether it's ops, whether it's managing all those charkies, whether it's managing that relationship. Today, any relationship we have in V1, which is your vertical one, is because of this guy, and I truly appreciate what he's done for us, right? So, I don't need to name that naughty dude. Vijay, please come up. Okay. So next guy we have is Abhilash. Abhilash, why don't you come up on stage? So what I've heard, I've not had the opportunity to work with somebody who's as dedicated. He's been pulling in days and nights, right? He had an accident and he's still working. Next day he was able to pick up a purchase order, right? The kind of dedication this guy has is something that we all look forward to. Right. Hello? Yeah. So, another thing that is very important in the whole Resha Mandi operations is our call center team, right? There is this new woman who joined us, and from what I've heard from Loki, from everybody, she's this fun-loving character who's always laughing when you go to her, right? And she's done a fantastic job over the past couple of weeks she's been here. Any guesses who this woman is? You're absolutely correct. Miria, can we have you on stage, please? Slightly shy. Lokeshwari, need you on stage. Alright, next up is a guy we've already heard too much about at the Ramnagar Center. He's been pulling in days and nights, right, to just ensure that we meet our daily targets. I don't think I need to name this guy. Gurunath, please come up on stage. Haveri Center, right? I think he was still cracking a deal while he was coming up. Sumit?
Well, Haveri has been one of the main backbones in procuring the cocoons, and Guru until now has been a one-man show who has been joined by Ms. Manjunath for Harpanarli. And both the guys have been really doing very, very well. And that as the days go by, they keep procuring more cocoons. Thank you.
All right, there's another rock star in Haveri. We call him our Resha Mandi rock star, right? So, not a lot of you know, but so although in the silk world, Ramnagar is supposed to be the biggest mandi, in Resha Mandi it's Haveri, right? So the other person who's done a fantastic job in Haveri is Manjunath. Manjunath, up on stage, please. I'll let Shobit talk a little bit about you.
Well, I already told you about our Haveri team. So Manjunath is the other part of the team, and since day one, he's been getting cocoons for us, and again is growing with the amount of procurement at Halpnadi, a part of Haveri. Thank you.
Guys, louder. Come on.
Hello. Hi guys, just to add on to this guy, he has just turned the ball game altogether for Haveri. So there was another rockstar Guru who was procuring almost 1.5 tons. He is something who has gone way above. There happened situations, he stood there whole night because there were some issues with technical glitches and all. Still, he was there and he somehow managed to still dispatch the lots from that place to Ramnagar. So that is something exclusive that this guy did, and he's the first one to do it. So